Would you like to have happy clients in your coaching business and also be happy with them? So stick around because I'm going to share with you my strategy to have happy clients and to be really fulfilled working with them. So if you're new here, my name is Simone Talarico Ross, and I am a marketing and mindset coach. And I've been hearing this a lot lately. So I really want to address this because some of my friends, my coach friends, they are having some clients that are not happy with their programs, and they are even receiving some nasty emails from their clients complaining about their program, that it's really not fulfilling them, what their expectations. And I have to be honest, I've never had this in my coaching business. I know. So I was looking and listening to all these sharings from my friends, and I was trying to think, what am I doing differently that is really preparing me and having me not have these kind of clients, right? So here's the thing. I know that if you're here, you are a coach or a consultant that want to impact people's lives. That's what we do as coaches, right? We want to help our clients have a big transformation during the time they are with us. For that, we need to have the right clients. I know that sometimes we feel like our programs are a good fit for everybody. I mean, I believe that every business owner that is learning how to really promote themselves on the digital space, on the online space, needs to be in my Digital Marketing Academy. I truly believe that is the program that is going to take them from not knowing what to do, throwing spaghetti at the wall, all the way to have a marketing system and to have consistent clients coming in. However, I know that not everybody is a good fit for my program. And how do I qualify them though? I mean, yes, there are some things that you ask your clients, to make sure that they are a good client in the pre-sale, right? When you do your call with them, you have all those questions that you ask them, why they want to be in your program, blah, blah, blah. But one thing that I think that I make that is different is that I'm not only paying attention to the answers that fit what we want to hear, but I'm also trying to see behind the answers some characteristics of their personality. Because I'm just a good fit for certain personalities. My program is only a good fit for certain personalities. So what I did is I created this one amazing tool that has two sets of questions. One is what I do not want in my soul client. And the other is what I do want in a soul client. In terms of personality, in terms of work ethic and things like that, right? So I'm going to read it to you, a couple of my criteria, and you're going to understand it better, okay? So I have it here, and I have it written down, but when I'm talking to somebody, I can spot right then and there if they have this characteristic or not. So what I recommend you do, if that's something you haven't done before, is just grab a piece of paper and put a line in the middle, and one side you can write what I do want in my soul client and what I do not want in my soul client. So it's like criterias, right? So for me, for example, what I don't like to have in a soul client is if they keep adopting a victim mentality. So this is part of their personality. Maybe they're going to get better at it, but at that moment that they're talking with me, I can see right then and there from some responses they are giving to my questions that they have victim mentality. And that's a big, big one, because those entrepreneurs that are still having victim mentality, they are not going to take responsibility for doing the stuff they need to do, right? So they're not a good fit for my program. Whereas on the other side, a criteria that I have for clients that I want to work with, they have a high degree of personal responsibility. And I can tell right then and there when we're talking if they have that from some things they're going to tell me, right? A second one would be if they are not open-minded. Now, this is so important to me because they have been probably doing all kinds of stuff out there. They, to courses, workshops, webinars. So they have things all over the place they're doing. And in my program, I bring what's really working now. So if they are not open-minded to do something different, to do something in a different pace, to really implement, because sometimes they are just watching videos and they don't have anybody to sit down and like, let's do this like this. You do this step, this step, this step. If they are not open to have that guidance, they're not a good person for my program. On the other hand, I really love people that show me that they are hugely committed. And in our conversation, it's really easy to spot that. One more, just for you to have more ideas for your own criterias. One that it's really not a good fit for me is if they're keep making excuses. So they keep saying, I didn't do that because this happened and I was used to this, whatever it is. When they talk with me and I see that they are not open-minded, so when these two are together, then it doesn't happen, right? Because if they have excuses and they are not open to really now implement things, because sometimes, yes, they were like that in the past, but now they are committed to really implement things and to be open-minded. So that's different. So I have to really be flexible on that and really understand where they are at, right? On the other hand, I love to talk with people that have a long-term mentality for their business. This is so important because we have now so many ideas out there of people that, oh yeah, in 1 year, I want 7 figures. In 2 years, I was like crazy. So, and yes, that happens totally. It happens. Yes. But those are exceptions, right? A business takes a while to build, especially if you want a sustainable business that brings a sustainable, consistent stream of clients to you. You have to really build a system, and that takes time, right? So if they have that long-term mentality, they understand that things take time and that they have to take action to get there, they are my soul clients. So this for me, it's just so important. It's non-negotiable, right? These criteria are non-negotiable for me. And it just makes things easy. It makes things so easy because in the beginning of the conversation, I can already see some things. So if they are not a good fit, I won't accept them to enroll in my academy. I might refer them to a friend or to just give them some free resources I have, and maybe later they will be a good fit. And that, I believe, has saved me from having these bad experiences that people are having. Because when they get in, I know they're a good fit. Yes, sometimes they're going to need some tough love, and that's where my coaching comes for, actually, right? But they are a good fit. I know that they can do this, and I will take their hand and make it happen throughout my program. And we're both going to be happy. They're going to be happy with my program, and I'm going to be happy because they are having results. So it's a win-win-win-win-win situation, right? So this is what I had for you. I'm here every week. If you have any questions, comments, or any whereabouts, about say buts, let me know. I would love to hear if you need help with some topic, if you're having some challenge in your coaching business or consultancy business, leave it in the comments and make sure to give it a thumbs up to this video, okay? I'll see you next week. Bye now.